Consumer goods giant Unilever's Nigerian unit says that despite struggling with foreign exchange volatility, worsening power supply in the country, and supply chain disruptions in its operations, it reported a 79% rise in profit in 2024. The FMCG firm also posted revenue growth of 44%. Now, Unilever says the growth was driven by its food and personal care segments. However, it pointed to macroeconomic risks such as volatile oil prices, forex scarcity, and unfavorable fiscal policies as a concern this year. Unilever is the longest-serving manufacturing company in Nigeria. And Steel Manufacturing Corporation, ArcelorMittal, says it will defer the closure of its loss-making long steel plants in South Africa to August 31st, saving about 3,500 direct and indirect jobs. That is after getting a $91.5 million injection from the state-owned Industrial Development Corporation. The steelmaker has been in talks with the government about a relief package. It had announced on February 28th that it will cease long steel production by April after failing to get concessions on its demands. OpenAI, the artificial intelligence company behind ChatGPT, says it has finalized a funding round that will bring in $40 billion from investment firm SoftBank Group and other investors at a $300 billion valuation, including money raised. Now, analysts say that the AI developers' financing round is the largest of all time. The deal values the company at almost double its previous valuation of about $157 billion when it raised money back in October. OpenAI is also planning to complete a corporate restructuring by the end of the year that would give its for-profit arm independence from the non-profit that currently governs it. And finally, a U.S. bankruptcy judge rejected Johnson & Johnson's $10 billion proposal to end tens of thousands of lawsuits that allege its baby powder and other talc products cause ovarian cancer. This will be the third time the company's bankruptcy strategy has failed in court. The judge said that J&J's proposed settlement did not have sufficient support from the women who accused the firm's products of causing their cancer. Now, J&J says in a statement that it will not appeal, but also that it had no intention of settling the claims and instead plans to return to civil courts. Its shares fell more than 3% on the back of the news. And that's a look at our corporate highlights this Tuesday.